Welcome back to my channel Adam's Adventures, and in today's video, when I stayed in Lanberis, North Wales last year, I visited this small ruined castle, Dolbadarn, which is settled near Lanberis Pass. For this video, I've decided for the viewers to see a mini walking tour of the castle, and will give brief information about the castle, as there wasn't much to go on about this fantastic monument. Also, you can see the vast surroundings of Lanberis' natural landscape. Enjoy the video. Built in early 13th century by the great Prince of Wales, Llywelyn, it's shown the powerhouse of the Welsh people and a military aspect of this fortification which it symbolised. The castle featured a large stone keep which at the time was announced as one of the finest round tower of Wales and wasn't taken over by any rebels in its lifetime. By 1284, when Edward I overtook and seized the castle, he stole most of the timber, to which he built his new castle in Carnarvon. From the 14th century, the castle was later turned into a manor estate, which later became into ruined by 1700s, in which many artists of painters to have this landscape ruined pictured multiple times, which gives you a picturesque feeling. Thank you for watching and really enjoyed this small but mighty castle with lots of history in North Wales. Please subscribe, like and comment below and stay tuned for more adventures in the near future.